Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter named Ramu. He lived in a small village near a forest. Every day, he would go into the forest, cut wood, and sell it in the market. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the deep river. Ramu became very sad. It was his only axe, and he had no money to buy a new one. He sat near the river and began to cry. Suddenly, a beautiful fairy appeared. "Why are you crying?" she asked. "My axe fell into the river. Without it, I cannot work," Ramu replied. The fairy smiled and went into the river. She came back with a golden axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" Ramu looked at the shiny golden axe and said, "No, this is not mine." The fairy went again into the water and brought a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Ramu again said, "No, this is also not mine." The fairy went once more and brought Ramu's old iron axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Ramu's face lit up with joy. "Yes, that is my axe. Thank you." The fairy was very pleased with his honesty. She gave him all 3 axes, the golden, the silver, and his old iron one. Ramu went home happily. He never lied, and he was rewarded for his honesty. Honesty is the best policy.